If you're stuck between the Vivo X300 FE and the Oppo Reno 15 Pro Mini, here's the quick answer. The Vivo is the better all-rounder, but the Oppo still has its own strengths. Starting with performance, the Vivo absolutely wins here. Its Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 is way more powerful than Oppo's Dimensity 8450, making it the obvious pick for gamers and heavy users. Battery life is another big win for Vivo. You're getting a huge 6,500 mAh battery, plus faster 90 W wired charging and even 40 W wireless charging, which the Oppo doesn't have at all. Now, cameras are where Oppo fights back. That 200 MP main sensor paired with a 50 MP ultra-wide is perfect if you love capturing super detailed shots. It's also slightly lighter and has that clean flat frame design that feels really premium in hand. But Vivo still brings serious camera flexibility with its Zeiss-powered telephoto system and crazy 8.7x optical zoom equivalent. So here's the verdict. If you want flagship power, insane battery life, and zero compromises, go Vivo X300 FE. If photography and saving some cash matter more, the Oppo Reno 15 Pro Mini is still a smart buy.